Welcome to Americana Chinese International School, where academic excellence, cultural immersion, and social responsibility come together.
At ACIS, we empower students to thrive academically, embrace cultures, and make a positive impact in the world.
We offer trilingual education in English, Chinese, and Thai from pre-K to grade 12, with small classes that foster individual growth.
ACIS boasts state-of-the-art STEM labs and creative spaces, perfect for hands-on learning and innovation.
Our STEM program lets students explore and innovate through real-world challenges in science, technology, robotics, engineering, arts, and math.
Our English as an additional language program ensures language is never a barrier to learning.
Our immersive Chinese program boosts fluency and cultural understanding while preparing students for global opportunities.
At ACIS, students experience the richness of Thai language and culture, embracing heritage and the tradition of our country.
We celebrate cultural diversity through hands-on experiences that bring American, Chinese, Thai, and global cultures to life.
ACIS high schoolers are prepared for top universities with AP courses, a Dual Diploma program, and personalized counseling.
Creativity flourishes at our school as students find the courage to express themselves through music and the arts, unlocking their full potential.
At ACIS, our extracurricular activities foster leadership and passion beyond the classroom.
We offer a wide range of sports that promote physical fitness, teamwork, and personal growth, and that allows students to compete alongside top international schools.
At ACIS, we see education as a collaborative partnership between teachers, students, and parents.
Your child's safety and well-being are our top priorities. We ensure a nurturing environment for every student.
At Americana Chinese International School, we spark inspiration. Enroll today and take the first step towards a brighter future.